boys and girls. Welcome back to Pre-K Math. We're on day 4. Okay, now we've been talking about all week a special word. Do you remember the word? Attributes. Good. Now we've talked about how there are special kind of attributes. Color, size, texture, and shape. And every day we've been talking about a different one. The first day we talked about the color, do you remember? Red, good. And then we talked about on Tuesday the shape of a circle, that's right. Yesterday we talked about the color yellow. Now I forgot to erase this so it's still there. Now today we're talking about something else. It's a shape. So we're going back to shape. It's an attribute. The shape is a square. Let me get my marker. Here it is. S Q U A R E. Square. Okay. So the attribute is one, remember, is something that we use to describe and talk about objects or people, okay? So we're gonna be looking at some of the objects that I got from around my house, and we're gonna decide if they are a square or not a square, okay? So the first thing, let's look at is a little Frisbee, and it has the Rockets logo on it. I know, it's pretty cool. But what shape is it? We talked about this shape earlier in the week. Not today. Do you remember? It's flat and it's round, so it's called a circle. But we're talking about a square today, a square. So it's not the shape we want. I can't quite get my word in here today. I'm trying a little Oochie coochie. There we go. Now I have my word square in here. Okay. So is this our yes pile or no pile? It would be a no. Correct. Okay. Next thing. Ooh, you might like to eat these. What is it? It's a waffle. Yeah. So is a waffle a square? Let's think about it. So a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all the same shape, or length, I should say, sorry, all the same length, and they each have a corner. Yeah, so it has 4 corners and 4 sides. It is a square. A waffle is a square. How cool is that? Very neat. Now, it's a paper plate. Yeah, what color is it? Pink. Yeah. We talked about this shape earlier in the week. It's flat, it's round, so it's a circle. It's not a square. Yeah, a square has straight lines. Yeah, okay. Another one is this. It's my little dry erase board. Now this is kind of tricky. It does have 4 sides, but 2 sides are long, really long. So it's not a square. Do you know what this is? A rectangle. Can you say that? Rectangle. It is a rectangle. Oh, you remembered the sentences. Good job. So this is not a square. Okay. Now what about this little thing? What is this? It's a cracker. Let's think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Is it a square? Yes, it is. It is a square. Okay. Oh, Mr. Man bought me a new calendar. Look at this. I love dogs. Oh, look at this. Let's see what shape this is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 sides. Are they all the same? They're all the same length. What about, does it have corners? Yes. 4 corners? Yes. So 4 corners, 4 sides, all the same. So it is a square. Good job. Now, what about this? It's a pad of paper. Is it a square? No, it's not a square, because if you look at it, 2 sides are long and 2 sides, we call them short. In a square, they're all short sides, all 4 sides. So it's not a square, it's a rectangle. What about this? It's a piece of cheese from my fridge. It's kind of hard now, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, are they all the same? How many corners? 4 corners. Yeah. So put in a sentence. It is a square. It is a square. 4 words in that sentence. Good job. Okay. And I'm just going to show you one more thing. We'll do this one. Now we saw a pad of paper just a minute ago, but it was not a square. Now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. They're all the same length. They're all short. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So is it a square? It is a square. Good job. Yes, it is a square. Okay. So you did a wonderful job today, boys and girls. Now, please make sure your family helps you watch the videos that help you listen and sing the songs about the shape, the square today. And then we have a PowerPoint for you to do with your family where you'll move the little objects to the right place. And then you get to choose which activity you want to do today. You can go find things around your house that are the shape that we're talking about, which is the square, and then find things that are not a square, or you can do the one where you use your crayon and you draw, okay? The last thing is you have to make sure you show me what you do. You either send it to me in a picture or a video through Schoology or through Class Dojo or through an email, okay? Thanks so much, guys. You're doing great. You're such wonderful learners. Don't forget to keep looking all day. Everywhere you look in your house for red, for yellow, for circles, and for squares. That's what we're talking about this week, okay? Good job. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.